Welcome to the MK-L19 eGPU enclosure installation tutorial. Install silicone feet at these 4 locations on the base plate. Use screws to attach the power supply bracket to the base plate. Secure the front panel to the floor with screws. Before securing the ATX power supply, first connect the 24-pin power cable to the 24-pin port on the motherboard. Next, install the power supply. When installing the power supply, it is recommended to tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence, then secure the power supply with screws. Next we will install the graphics card. Align the graphics card with the slot and insert it. Find the PCIe power cable from the power supply and plug it into the graphics card's 8-pin power connector, using screws to fix it. Connect the power source and turn on the switch. Check the power indicator light. A constantly lit green light indicates that the power supply functioning properly. Please use the Thunderbolt for cable included with the product. Connect the Thunderbolt cable to both the dock and the computer. When the graphics card dock is successfully connected to the computer, the blue indicator light will turn on, even if no system settings or driver installations have been done. As long as the connection is recognizable, the blue indicator light will light up. Thank you.